Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about the 5 best Jeep hood latches that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Pick Jeep Hood Latches Black Aluminium Jeep Hood Latch Set. These hood latches are made of heavy-duty textured black aluminium. The fast bolt-on installation was very easy and did not require any special tools. This Jeep hood catch latch is fully adjustable and is available in 3 different styles. We like this set of Jeep hood latches because they reduce hood flutter and come with a limited 5-year warranty. You'll be happy with the noticeable decrease in hood chatter. Overall, this is a great choice. Next up is the Pick Jeep Hood Latches Black Stainless Steel Jeep Hood Latch Locking Kit. This awesome looking set of catch latches are designed as a direct replacement for your factory Jeep Wrangler hood latches. Made of die-cast electroplated stainless steel and high-strength aluminium alloy, this Jeep Wrangler JK Locking Hood Latch Kit is a great replacement option. These hood catch latches offer excellent heat resistance and scratch resistance. This set of Jeep hood latches are available in 6 different styles. Adjustable and durable, this set of locking hood latches are easy to install and requires no drilling or special tools. They have a 2-year warranty also. Third up in line is the Pick Jeep Hood Latches Jeep Wrangler JL Original Black Stainless Steel Hood. It is hard to go wrong with this durable Jeep Wrangler JL Locking Latch Hood Catch Kit. This hood latch kit fits both the JL and JK Jeep Wrangler models. The locking Jeep hood latch is made from die-cast E-coated stainless steel and high-strength ABS. Our team likes that these hood latches are durable and offer excellent scratch and heat resistance. These hood latches fit perfectly and keep your hood in place even on harsh terrain, reducing hood tremors and chatter. Comes with a 2-year warranty and a premium support. We found these hood latches to be easy to install. Fourth up is the Pick Jeep Hood Latches Jeep Wrangler OEM Style Hood Latch Kit. This awesome set of Jeep Wrangler hood latches is made of die-cast electroplated stainless steel and high-strength ABS. It offers excellent heat resistance and scratch resistance. We like this set of Jeep hood latches because they keep your hood in place even on harsh terrain, reducing hood tremors. These adjustable and durable Jeep hood latches are easy to install with no special tools. We like that these hood latches have a rugged appearance and keep hood chatter down. It really is a noticeable decrease in hood flutter and noise. You'll be very happily surprised at the difference. Great choice. To end with is the Pick Jeep Hood Latches Jeep Hood Latches. Do you worry about someone messing under the hood of your Jeep Wrangler? Well, these locking Jeep hood latches might be the answer. No drilling is required and installation is very easy. This hood latch kit is available in 3 different styles. Featuring a black powder coat finish, these Jeep hood latches are made from high-quality die-cast E-coated stainless steel for added protection. This rugged off-road kit comes with 2 sets of keys and everything you need for a quick installation. A truly awesome choice. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.